Welcome to the Power Transmission Solutions Florence, Kentucky facility. We are pleased that you are here today and want to ensure that your visit is productive and safe. With that in mind, this video will outline some of our policies that are intended to keep you and our employees safe. Thank you for visiting our facility today.
Before proceeding, remember that ours is a competitive business environment. As such, we request that you not take photos or record video while in our plant or on the grounds. Please listen to and follow all instructions given by your PTS escort for your safety and the safety of those around you. When you arrived, you should have parked in one of the spaces directly in front of our main office and reserved for visitors. If you didn't, please tell the receptionist now. All visitors are required to enter the facility through our primary or secondary visitor entrances and sign the visitor log. Signing this log allows us to account for everyone in case of an emergency. Please note, there are important safety rules and contact numbers posted throughout the facility on the main bulletin boards that you may need while visiting our facility. The receptionist has already contacted a PTS representative who will arrive here shortly and will act as your escort during your visit. Your representative will provide any personal protective equipment needed and a visitor's badge that must be worn at all times. In our facility, we use powered industrial equipment, various machinery, chemicals, and machine tools. Keep in mind, when entering these areas, you must wear the appropriate personal protective equipment. Safety glasses and hearing protection are required at all times while visiting the manufacturing areas. If your visit requires you to leave the main pedestrian walkways, you're required to wear protective footwear that will be provided by your escort. Please note that even in the main pedestrian walkways, all shoes must cover the entire foot. Open-toe shoes, open-heel shoes, and sandals are not permitted. Before entering any aisleway, stop and look in all directions for oncoming powered industrial equipment. Make direct eye contact with the operator and wait for them to acknowledge your presence. Then proceed with caution. Observation mirrors are located at intersections and at the end of rows for use by pedestrians and equipment operators. These mirrors are meant to provide maximum visibility for everyone in the plant. In the unlikely event of an emergency, maps are located throughout the facility to direct you to the nearest shelter and illustrate the evacuation routes for the area. In the event the facility must be evacuated, you will hear a continuous air horn alarm. If you do, remain with your escort, who will ensure that you are taken out of the building promptly and safely. If there is a severe weather threat, you will hear an intermittent air horn alarm. Proceed to the nearest tornado shelter and report to a supervisor. If there's a fire, chemical spill, or a medical emergency, the appropriate response equipment can be found throughout the facility and is easily accessible. If you are injured or become ill while visiting our facility, a first responder will be contacted immediately. Subsequently, an incident injury report will be completed and the incident fully investigated. Please be observant of all the rules and safety signs throughout the facility, as they exist to protect everyone here. Our goal is to make your visit an enjoyable and safe one.